Hey, this is Joseph, and I highly recommend Tuna's editing course and his editing mentorship. He has been invaluable to me in helping me gain confidence as an editor, learning how to price things for potential clients, and also helping me land my first client with Trislo. I edited a video for him, like a long video on his channel, and that was thanks to a referral that I got from Tuna. He's also just helped me become a more efficient editor, which has allowed me to grow my own YouTube channel that I'm running at the moment. And I owe a lot of the success I'm seeing with my own channel because of Tuna and some of the lessons that he's taught me about editing and productivity in general. So I'd highly recommend that you buy his course and take part in these mentorships that he's offering too.